Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get TaTa CLiQ online shopping application in your device. If you use iPhone, then go to App Store. If you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store, then search TaTa CLiQ online shopping app, then you'll get this app. So you can see the rating of the 4.1 out of 5 and 315k reviews. It means 315k plus people write something about this app. So 19 megabyte size of the app and 50 million plus people already download this app. So online shopping app for fashion and lifestyle. Shop from 19 plus brand at a click. Okay, so what you need to do to get this application in your device, so simply tap on the install button. So it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.